thing.
Yeah.
Super proud about that. I don't care what any of you say. Sorry, I have a cherry limeade from earlier today.
7.
We'll take one.
Sure. Black.
Oh, here's a big burp for you guys. Yeah.
What do they do?
Are they? Nothing.
Yeah.
Squeal really loudly, because I will. Like Michael. Sam's drunk ass. Because that girl loves to drink and things, and people's participation in the chat are...
No, if you want to. Ooh, that was a good one.
Ooh, patch notes.
Shadow nails soon, because I was like, I need them for like Feral and Damien, so they kind of look a little bit more like Growl. But
Just get just get a
Pazuzu can stream if enough people would want to see me.
Lady Sam. The one I was telling you about. Wait,
Oh.
I was telling you about. Yeah. So. Yeah, she wants to go cliff diving.
Satisfactory?
True. Okay.
Gets used. Wow, what's...
Oh, that was a good game. Ooh, buddy.
Nice.
Excuse me.
So like, this is in like Greg Folt's chat, right? And what the fuck?
Oh yeah, that beer belt show. Oh, my game crashed. Cool.
Yeah, bacon. Sorry. I don't. But I couldn't eat it every day. I like Wendy's way better. So much better. Oh, why is it so laggy?
Okay, hold on. Oh god. Okay.
Powerful.
Usually my burps are popping because I'm a gross individual.
5 more. Oh my god, so many burps. I just ate dinner. So sorry about that.
There's another VSS.
I can't stop. I have to do it. Sorry. Singing. Oh, I wanted to burp so badly this whole time. That was good.
How was your life? Oops, sorry, so sorry. Oh. I didn't mean for that to come out loud.
So much air bases, what the fuck?